Hi, my name's Susan, and today I'm going to be talking about how to use the ClikStik positioner, which is one of two positioners that you get with your DentiMax Dream Sensor. So we're going to take our amazing sensor and we're going to place it in one of the rounded edge sensor cover sleeves. There's a small staggered edge here, so it's easy to insert. We're going to slide this all the way up to the top, straightening out our bag, and you're going to want to leave approximately 1 millimeter of space at the top of your sensor. This way when you place it into a bite block, it won't pull taut and actually tear the sensor sleeve. So this holder comes with one ring, one rod, and two ClikStik positioners. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your rod and place it into the ring, and then you're going to take your ClikStik positioner and you can either position it with the short side or with the long side, depending on which of the positions you're going to be taking. Today we're going to be starting with the posteriors. So this is how you end up placing the posterior bite block. Now I'll show you how to place the anterior bite block. Now, for the longer bite blocks, such as the vertical and horizontal bite wing, we actually take this off and slide it onto the side that has the shorter forks on it so that you can properly position your vertical and your horizontal bite wings. And something that's absolutely fantastic about the ClikStik holder is if you are currently using a handheld x-ray device, this is the only holder on the market where we have what's referred to as a variable rod, where this actually moves and slides out of the way, allowing a scatter shield to get directly up against the ring, taking much clearer x-rays and reducing radiation scatter. And the ClikStik is one of the two holders that you will receive with your DentiMax Dream Sensor.